How to change Instagram username. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right, go to the menu bar. Sorry, you will see an option of edit profile in your profile icon, and then here you will see an option of username. Simply delete the username you have and then enter a new username that is not already existing and that also follows the username guidelines in your Facebook. So what you will have to do is make sure you have a perfect username for here like this, and then tap on this blue tick and wait for it to load. Now as you can see, go to your profile. Now your username is changed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.